A lovely morning to my lovely kids. Here I have a story of A sound words. So let's start. A fat man lived in a house with a lad whose name was Sam and a cat. The fat man was the dad of Sam. Sam was sad, so the dad took him for the picnic. They took his bag, a writing pad, a hat with a tag. He cleaned his bat with a rag and put it in the bag. Sam was feeling hungry, so he took jam in his bag. Sam and Dad put can also. They wear hat and cap on their head and sat in a van. The cat sat on the lap of the dad. They had fun at the picnic spot by playing with the bat. The cat saw a rat and ran behind the rat. It wagged her tail and tried to catch the rat, but there was a gap. Then Sam, Dad, and Cat sat on a mat and had jam. They drank juice from the can. Sam and Dad got tired and took a nap. After coming back, they switched on the fan and drank water from the tap. Sam was very happy. So, my dear lovely kids, in this way, we can learn so many A sound words in a fun way. Okay? Goodbye.